Hello guys, this is Boy TV. Welcome back to another amazing video on my YouTube channel. A very quick one. You guys might be hearing background voice here. Please pardon with me. I want to quickly share this update to you guys. I came across it today and I want to share it to my community. Alright. And if you have not joined my Telegram group, please do yourself a favor to join my Telegram group because you'll be getting early access of any project I'm about to post new. Because sometimes I first of all post on my Telegram channel before coming to YouTube to post. Alright. So if you look right here, you can see I have 4.5 Tenaz here. This Tenaz, I don't know if you guys have come across it. I came across it today, so I decided to share it to you guys. And if you look right here, you can see I have the session ends in 22 hours and 19 minutes because I activated this particular project today. So I will show you guys how to set up an account and start managing this project because it's quite new. All right, it's quite new, and I wouldn't want any of you to miss it. So if you register, but let me show you guys how to register. But before we do that, please kindly like this video, share to friends, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that when next I post amazing videos like this, YouTube will notify you and you will come and watch and benefit from it. All right. The discouragement I'm getting from you guys is that whenever I check my videos, the impression rates on YouTube here, the people that have watched my video and did not subscribe, it's 73%. It's not fair. Some of these updates are premium updates, but I share it with you guys for free. And the little way you can support me is by subscribing to my channel and liking the video. But you guys will finish watching the video and you will not subscribe, not even like. It's not fair. All right, it's not fair. Please, you guys should encourage me by liking this video and subscribing. We will be posting more updates like this, and I wouldn't want any of you to miss any of these updates that I'll be posting. All right. So for you to set up an account, you will click on the link I'm going to be leaving on the video description. If you click on the link I'll be leaving on the video description, it will bring you to this interface where you can download the app. All right. You can see this app impression. The review is 4.1. Right. The review is 4.1. You can see the review here. All right. It's 4.1. So they are just quite new. All right. They are just quite new. So if you download the app, it will take you to a place where you will sign up. I will show you guys everything in a little while. All right. If we bring you here, you just click on this sign up arrow at this down corner right here. Click on this sign up arrow. Sorry guys. Click on this sign up arrow here. There is a sign up arrow at this down place, or you can continue with Google. But me, I continued with Google. Alright, if you continue with Google, it won't ask you for any password. It will only ask you for a referral code when you are in already. Alright, so it's better you click on continue with Google here. Alright, sign in with Google. Alright, then you can choose the Gmail or the Google mail you want to use, then you can sign in. Alright, but me, I have an account already, so I'll just click on this place, my username or email, I will input it and then I'll sign in. Alright, or let me continue with Google rather, so you guys will understand everything step by step on how it goes. All right, this is empowering cloud mining solution. All right, so this is all about mining and accumulating points and coins for yourself. This is Tenaz project. All right, so let's continue with Google. Then I select the email I want to use and sign up or sign in rather. Whether you are signing up or signing in, they will bring you an email. Just use it to sign up or sign in. All right, then I choose the email I want to use. You can see they will not ask me for password. They will just log me in automatically. All right, then continue. So they will just verify this and sign me in. All right, so make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that when I start post amazing videos like this, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and benefit from it. All right, so if you are here, the first thing you need to do, click on this place that says daily security. If you click on that place that says daily security, but before you come to this interface, for your account to be active and start mining, you need to activate welcome referral code, which is use my name Sonnyboy TV. All right, use my name Sonnyboy TV. So that is what you use to sign up. All right, use use Sunny Boy TV, right? Sunny Boy TV. So you guys know my name already, and I'll be leaving it on the screen. I'll put it bold on the screen on the comment section. Just copy it and use it to refer, so that, let me show you what we get if you use my referral code. Let me show you. Let's go to history. Okay, this is my earning for today. You can see this is 2 hours ago. Referral reward. Let's click on this place that says view all. Let's click on view all. If you click on view all, this is, if you register, you will get this. All right, the reason why I got this 1000 point, this 1 point, is because I used someone referral code. All right, if you use this referral code, if you use my referral code Sunny TV, then you will get this 1 point. Then here is daily security. You know, I told you guys, if you are on the interface, click on daily security, you get 1.5 points. All right, then the referral rewarded for the same person use his or her referral code, and if you use my own, you will get 1 point and 0.125 points as well. All right, this is all the points I have earned today. You can see I signed up on this place 2 hours ago. All right, so that's how this particular project works. So that is just it for now. That is just it. So make sure you like this video. I'm just trying to share this update for you guys, so that you can see I joined 2 hours ago, and this is not investment platform where you can be scared or something, say blah blah blah. No, just do yourself a favor by mining this particular token. So when it's launched, or when they are about to share the open withdrawal, we all can benefit from it. All right, so that will be all for today. That will be all. But then daily, then weekly, I don't know, I haven't done anything about this weekly or daily or whatever. But for you to invite your friends, just go to this place that says invite. All right, go to invite, or you go to my team. All right, either you go to invite or you go to my team. Okay, so let's go to invite. If you go to invite, you can copy this, your referral link, or share it to WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, via email or Telegram or Snapchat as well. But I advise you should copy it here. Sorry guys, I advise you to copy it and paste to your friends, family. Once they sign up, come on board, you'll be getting a little commission for yourself. All right, so make sure you like the video, share to friends, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon, so that when next I post awesome video like this one you just finished watching, YouTube will notify you and you come back and watch and benefit. I'll be leaving my Telegram link on the video description on the comment section. Do yourself a favor to join that Telegram group. All right, so that you will get early access whenever I post amazing videos. Peace be unto you all.